Oops. Okay, this is my first train ride in Antwerp, Belgium. This is how the tram looks like. Okay, pretty decent. It was so difficult to find this out. There were no instructions anywhere. Unless you're a local, you won't be able to figure this out easily. I've been walking for 15, almost 20 minutes looking for this station, tram station. You actually have to go underground to go downstairs from the central station to find this out. It took me some time. It's crazy. You gotta follow that metro station. Go down. So lesson learned. If you go to Antwerp and you don't use taxi.